Internal tube cleaning is one of the most challenging processes to control in hydraulic cylinder manufacturing. Even the smallest particles left inside a tube can compromise long-term cylinder performance as well as damage other components in the system. Aggressive Hydraulics always strives to minimize the risk of contamination in production cylinders. Through the Aggressive Hydraulics School Partnership Program, our team challenged Coon Rapids High School engineering design and development students to engineer their own method to clean hydraulic cylinder tubes. So the students got to work. They stepped inside the Aggressive Hydraulics purpose-built facility, learned from our experts, studied the current process, and reviewed existing methods. Then they engineered new concepts with real production constraints in mind. One team designed a wand that connects to a vacuum. It allows debris to be blown out or suctioned from the tube. Interchangeable bristles fit multiple barrel sizes and can be reused. Another group built a spring-loaded tool with expandable sponges. Air exits through the head while the sponges clean threads and collect debris simultaneously. One concept used controlled airflow to loosen contaminants. A shop rag placed over the head captures debris as it exits the tube. An extending handle supports different cylinder lengths. Larger diameters use alternate heads. Another design combines scraping and suction. An adjustable felt ring expands inside the tube. The backward-facing design helps extract debris while a vacuum removes it. One prototype featured a mechanical system that expanded and retracted flaps within the tube. The operator controls contact pressure for consistent cleaning. Every concept reflected strong problem-solving, manufacturability, and quality-first thinking. Aggressive Hydraulics was impressed by the skill, effort, and engineering on display. Programs like this connect classroom learning to real manufacturing challenges. They help shape the next generation of engineers and builders. Aggressive Hydraulics, engineered to move your business.